Hey people, so I'm back to share with you an update to the update of the saving of pothos. I remember a while ago I had made a video about this plant here, and it was so long it had taken over my stairwell, so I reduced its size, and I didn't want to just throw it in the trash. You know, that's a living thing. We can't just discard them. Well, I can. So I came up with this idea and I shared it with you two in a few videos that I'll post a link to below. And I figured I'd wait a little while so that they could acclimate to the technique that we used. And I wanted to show you guys how it worked out for me. Some of them did better than the others. These are all from the same plant, which is that one. I even have one little one over here. Like, there were so many. And the only thing was to remove them, stick them into a tall vase with water, and make sure those little nodes that I spoke of were submerged into the water, because that's going to become the roots. Now, I have forgotten to water them on more than one occasion. You could see the stress results on this plant. There's more naked vine than there is lush vine.